Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our Plymouth Satellite. Pretty cool car. They did a color change to orange with black stripes. So got a good looking look to it. Custom wheels on it. Body's in nice shape. Come out of Wyoming is where I got it from. Nice job. You can see on the lights. Pretty nice job on the paint. We just redid the seat covers, and they definitely are going to need some sun. There's some looseness in them, but them are factory OEM style. There you can see the gauge. Got a B&M shifter, gauges, dash pad. I'm sure it's got a coverlay on it. So very nice car. Doors shut good. Right down here, I noticed there's kind of a whatever they did, might be a little mud in that door down there. They added a wing to it, so kind of a neat custom look to it. There's your bumpers. Not a lot of flaws on the body. Pretty decent paint, like I said, got a good shine to it. I don't see a ton of debris in it, you know, as far as dirt nibs or anything. So, good looking car, runs, drives good. Watch my driving video. If you're looking for a affordable Satellite, they're a little cheaper than the Roadrunner, so this one will probably fit the bill. 605-695-7391.